Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll share with you why you need 2 routers in your shop. Okay, so this is your main cashier. So main cashier will have main post and then the router and your kitchen printer. And now you want to print your kitchen order into the kitchen printer without do the wiring. Here's the concept. So we will take another router and set as the repeater and repeat the Wi-Fi of the main router. And then there's a kitchen printer connect using the LAN cable. Then when the main post taking order, then it will send a signal to the repeater and print the kitchen order at here. But there's some limitation. First, make sure the distance between 2 routers is not that far. And secondly, make sure there's no partition or wall blocking. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Gideon's post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找post system,找Aseng.